Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. Sin2x, we change for 2 sin x, cosine x. Next, we need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to 1 plus cosine s squared. So if we do first derivative of number 1, you got 0. First derivative of cosine s squared. So we have 2 cosine s. First derivative of cosine s, we have negative sin s. Because we don't have the negative in here, so we put the negative next to the u. So this one we change for u. 2 sin s cosine s ds we change for negative du. The integration of this one, we have negative ln of the absolute value of u, and we put about c. About u, that's about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.